We have a broad portfolio of managed services today that are helping with cross-cloud issues that customers have run into. There's been this massive surge over the past decade of cloud first. Let's all get to one of the hyperscalers. Let's shift our model from a CapEx model to an OpEx model. And now workloads are running everywhere in customer organizations. They're on-prem private cloud. They're now moved to a public cloud model. They're being consumed as a service hosted by XYZ vendor. And in the rush to get there, a lot of customers are experiencing the, I'll say, financial implications of what going to the cloud looks like. Number one challenge for everybody is always cost optimization. So trying to identify the best place to run a workload while being cost conscious is something that a lot of customers are facing too. And then how do we get that workload where it needs to be? Depending on what solution categories that we're identifying for a customer, there could be a slew of different challenges within that they're facing. How do we get these complex applications, these traditional applications on-prem, how do we get them to a cloud environment for all the benefits that cloud can provide? These are all challenges that customers face that we can leverage the VMware toolset to help manage those resources. From a customer landscape perspective, especially from a multi-cloud, we've seen a plethora of use cases across the board. With VMware Cloud specifically, and getting started with that platform, we're always seeing data center extensions and data center migrations. One of our customers is in the energy industry. They had data center lease expirations that were coming up in their organization, and we needed to get them out of their environments. That's the perfect use case for VMware Cloud. Migrating from VMware to VMware environments is very seamless. You don't have to refactor applications. You don't have to do a whole lot to get that workload up into VMC. Now that they've moved to VMware Cloud on AWS, the infrastructure management piece is out of the way for them because it's all hosted by VMware, which frees up their IT resources to actually do more productive work that'll drive a business outcome versus keeping the lights on. VMware is one of our top partners that we work with. VMware being one of our most strategic partners, making sure we have the right skill sets and capabilities that we can help our customers be successful consuming their technologies, selecting the right technologies, deploying that technologies, and just adopting it to meet their business outcomes.